同大家温下書，温 The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie。同大家講翻下呢一份嘅練習呢，係我哋自己整嘅，咁可以去我哋嘅官網望一望啦。嗰個 product 嘅名呢，就叫做 More The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie 咁樣嘅。咁今次呢個 extract 呢，係嚟自 Chapter 6嘅。咁咧，我想帶做一下第一題先，之後我哋呢，一陣會再講下面嗰題嘅。第一題呢，我已經用咗紫色啦，去到間住咗你要留意嘅地方。你做嘅時候呢，都冇必應該要好似我咁做嘅。首先係第一 part 啦，咁有幾句重點句子嘅。One of the greatest admirers was new girl called Joyce Emily。Her 咧係 Brodie， 咁呢一句咧我哋已經可以拎嚟做一段噶啦。OK， 第一句啦，佢話 What's the significance of Joyce Emily？ 點解佢咁重要啊？點解一定要存在啊？佢就係去話俾人哋聽，佢係中意 Brodie 嘅，好似 Sandy 一開始咁樣，但係 Sandy 佢後面有啲變化嘅，但係 Emily 就唔係啊，佢一由頭到尾都好信 Brodie 噶嘛。咁呢個咧就要寫一寫啦。你可以話啦 ，Miss Brodie is admired by Joyce Emily without any doubt。因為咧佢前面呢度有個 contrast 啦 ，the Brodie girls now that they were 17 were able to detach Miss Brodie from her aspect of teacher， 已經係脫離咗佢嘅影響少少噶啦。然之後下一個啦，下一段你要講到嘅嘢咧就係關於間學校嘅。Joyce Emily 係一個好曳學生，佢媽咪俾好多錢佢去唔同學校讀書。但係後尾咧 Lane School 咧就收翻佢啦，收咗佢。點解佢可以讀緊書咧？但係佢又唔使着校服嘅咧，因為佢係有一個 trial period， 呢個試學期。如果佢當中有啲行為唔檢點咧，就唔俾佢入學噶啦。咁呢一度咧，我哋可以睇到間學校嘅叫做佢個 variety 啦，佢個 selecting criteria。OK， 呢一個就係第二個 point， 你應該要講到嘅嘢啦。第三個，佢係咁叫自己 Joyce Emily， 因為 Emily 係中間個名嚟嘅，正常外國人係唔會講中間個名嘅，中間個名係佢哋敬重嗰啲人先至會，即係譬如佢好中意 Newton 嘅，咁佢中間個名就會有 Newton 呢個字啦。sorry 唔係 Newton， 係 Isaac， 係啦 Isaac。如果我好敬畏，我爹哋媽咪好敬畏Isaac Newton 咧，咁我個名中間會有個 Isaac 呢個字嘅。咁但係佢哋講嘢嘅時候咧，就好少會講中間呢個名嘅。咁但係佢就偏偏用 Joyce Emily 咁樣嘅字啦，咁就同 Brodie Set 啲女仔個名更加似咯。咁就證明佢好想去到入去佢哋嘅community 嗰度。好，然後後面呢度啦。佢自己着 dark green uniform， 然之後其他人咧就着呢個 deep velvet uniform。呢個咁嘅對比咧，就更加突顯到咧，佢更加突顯到 Brodie Set 嘅 unity。OK， 佢哋嗰種 togetherness。然後下面呢度。 就話俾我哋聽，喺外人嚟講，佢哋點樣睇 Brody Set 同埋 Brody 嘅？佢哋係 Brody Set 係有一種，佢哋係叫做好獨立，係好獨立，好崇拜 individualism。然後 Joyce Emily 好想成為佢哋，咁但係呢一位咧，唔係就係純粹單單講 Joyce Emily 好想成為佢哋其中一個，佢係想講咧，透過 Joyce Emily 去到凸顯 Brody Set 嘅 individualism 同上面嗰個唔同㗎。好啦，之後第二個，我哋下條片再講。